Graph 2x plus 8 equals 0. Well, first of all, let's solve this equation for x. I'll subtract 8 on both sides, and then divide by 2 on both sides. So an equivalent equation is the equation x equals -4. Now this tells us that any ordered pair which has a first coordinate of -4 is a solution of this equation. And we can just write a few of the solutions. We would have -4, it could be paired with -3. The first coordinate again is -4, we could pair it with 0. And a third point would be -4, 2. So we can plot this point, we can plot the points if we want to, -4, -3, -4, 0, -4, 2. We know that this is going to be a vertical line 4 units to the left of the y-axis. And we can just draw the line. And we'll label it with the original equation, 2x plus 8 equals 0.